Assalamualaikum everyone and hi to all. Today I am going to make a new video about charts and formatting in Excel. Last time we make a video about how we will use formula and function. Today we are going to use charts, how we will use the charts. Okay, first we are going to format that one. If you want to format more, click on format cell. After formatting this one, using our categories are the number, journal number. We are using journal because detailed mark certificate. These are the categories which you click and it will be changed just like that. Okay, alignment, how the text will be look like, right? If you want to click here and you will drag this one, if you click OK, now you will see it will be just like that. Okay, now you give the space of that one row, right? Just like that. Right click again and format cell, click on format cell, straight that one and click OK. Now it will be just like that. You will double click on it, adjustment of that, right click again and format cell. Now this you can wrap text and shrink to fit, right? We are using these are horizontally center and vertically bottom, right? Okay, after that we go for the font. These are font style you want to change, bold, italic, and also you want to increase the size, you can. These are different effects if you want to give, right? These are the single underline or double underline you want. Now you can use. Okay, now borders, which border you want to use, thick border, thin border, you can click only thick border. If you want to change the color of the border, you can. When you click here, right? Okay, now you click here, it will be change the color of the border, thick border. Right click and again we click here for format cell. Now fill, you want to fill the color, you want to change this one background, no color, this one it will be changed. If you want to give more attraction to it, then format cell and we will give fill color and also more color if you want to click. If not, then you will go for fill effects. Here you can easily fill the effects. Color one, you want to two color, you will click on color. Now shade style view, vertical and also diagonal down. We will click this one and we will click OK. Now you will see it will change the color. Okay, now I will select this one first, that one row number 8, and we want to format that all. Go for format and we give the effects. If you want to give the effects, okay, you can. After giving this, you will go there and also format the cell and we will click here for alignment. You give easily here alignment to it. Want to straight that one, you can give that, right? We will right click again, format cell, and we will drag it down. It's good now. Okay, now after you can protect that one also, hidden that thing, log that thing, you can. And if you want to use the pattern inside that one, you can use the pattern if you want. And color, if you want to change the color, light blue, you can use the pattern also, right? Again we click here, change the pattern and line, and also alignment of that one. Again this one. Okay. Okay. If you remove their own pattern, you can. We are going to this. We click here. Okay, now this one for formatting. Okay, if you want to write increase the zero, that one you can increase. That one numbers, right? Increase zero, or if you want to decrease zero, right? Okay. Now we want to make a chart of only these. We select this one. Okay, we will select first and click on insert, and here different chart, column chart. You can drag down. If you want to make a new one, this one is a chart. Okay, you can change the column chart. There are different type of chart which you want. You want to change the color pattern, quick look, just like that you can give. Okay, now you can see that which you like, you will select. Switch off and on rows and columns. Okay, now I want to make a chart for only this one, and I want to select only obtain marks. We will press Ctrl key and we will select these only. If you are not going to select that one or press the Ctrl key, if you want to select this name column and also the obtain marks, then all will be selected. If you press that one Ctrl key and select the specific, you can. Okay, now we will go there, insert column chart, which chart you want, 3D or that. We click on it and it will be created. If you want to change, right click on the mouse and change the chart type, you can. From here you can easily change. .3D. Now we go down and we want to, if you want to enter here, change the color of that, you can. Okay, you want to insert here, and which you want, you will select on it. Okay, now there are different type of charts here. If you want to enter here, you can add chart element. If you want to title, you want to add, you can above the title, right? If you want to this one, you will click here first and you can here pie chart. If you click here and you want to enter here names of learners, right? Okay, it's like that you can enter. you will like my channel, subscribe my channel, and also click on bell icon. When I am going to making the new video, it will come automatically to you, right? Okay, Allah Hafiz, and take care by yourself in this pandemic. Okay, Allah Hafiz.